hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. I gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me, might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda, can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving MVP, I got the record, I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my. Yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me, might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda, can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving MVP, I got the record, I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah. And I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here. Watch I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch. Everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now. Have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn bad. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities that never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman, y'all but not let them in. They gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit. I'm a pit bull of this element, yeah. Said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah. I've been married.
Hello. Oh, we've got no music. We need the music on. Sorry for the delay, guys. I've got some workers in the house, and you might hear some noises. But we're here now. How's everyone? Let's see who we got. Harry, first in. I can take no loss. Absolutely. Good morning from London. Iraxi, something like that. What a day yesterday, huh? We had some interesting moves on pound dollar, interesting moves on euro dollar. I was in the trade on the euro dollar. If you did watch the video, you know what I'm talking about. And good news in terms of the MT5. Somehow, let's jump on it. I need to change this actually. Good morning, Curacao. I was having some struggles yesterday with getting the market watch on the MT5. I somehow have managed to push it in an area where I can actually use it now. So it's gone down here behind. There we go. If I lift that, you can see now I've got the market watch down here, and I can drag and drop stuff. So all good. It's working again. It's just down here, which I guess is not the best place, but I'll take it for now. I'll take it. This was, let's have a look. Let's close this. What do we have? We have a big push up that's taken out liquidity above this zone here on the 1 hour. Then we sold off into the fair value gap. There was a bit of resistance there. And now it's kind of going into that classic ICT push down. However, if we throw a Fibonacci on this, we've hit the 50%. So it can very easily, we'll see how it comes. If it breaks all the way down to 76, potentially areas that we're going to be interested, or if it's going to continue higher without getting an even more retracement. Pound dollar, we had a big move. This is what we traded this is before we took a short here. We managed to get pick up this short. I took about 12 pips on this, $70. Pushed back up, took out liquidity, pushed down, filled fair value gaps, and now it's looking quite bearish in this kind of shape. We'll see what happens during the open. We are in the pre-market, so we need to start analyzing all the pairs. But just quickly before we do that, if we jump there, you can see we trace back on the 50% again. So both of them have done the same moves. Iced Americano. Oh man, am I fired with my gym today. Super, super good. Deadlifts, something that I used to hate, absolutely hate. But now it's getting to a level where it's not feeling great, it's just actually feeling like I'm doing the proper movements and feeling good. You can follow me on Instagram, so you can see all that on the backstage. There's going to be some noise, guys. We have to bear with it until I think they're finishing very soon. So we're just going to have some background noise. Maybe I need to lift up the music a little bit. S&P, all-time highs, gapped up, filled the gap. And now we're waiting to see what that's going to happen. If you look on the daily, look at that. Hit the first time, 4,906. I'm pushing down. Now, I do have workers because one of the doors wasn't working. And in Indonesia, you have to explain yourself really, really well because timing can be something that they don't get. Well, the language barrier, obviously. So what we're going to do is going to start analyzing each pair. I want to start with the pound dollar because it's most likely what I'm going to be looking at today. So we need to throw in, the biggest thing is my short was off these levels here. These are my scrap levels. As you know, I put them every start of the week. Bad habits, good habits, I guess, that I can't get rid of. Good old scruff. And then we've got our previous daily high and previous daily low from the ICT, equilibrium in the middle. So we can see now we're resting in that equilibrium level. So we can't really touch it yet. I do like a retracement here. If we do get a retracement in the early hours there, not like that candle, but it's a lot smaller, and then a push back up into retest that zone of 126.76, that would be nice. That would also help a couple of vanguards because I know there's a couple that are shorting this, so I'm manifesting that, guys, for you. Ali, who you know from here. Hi Manino, good morning Anna. Guys, as you jump in, make sure you like. We've got 40 people already. We can actually get some likes in here and boost the live. As you know, I try and be, well, sometimes a bit late, but I try and be live with you guys every day apart from Wednesday, which is Vanguard Day. And I'm gonna try and do that every day. That's my commitment to you. Your commitment to me is a like. That's the one. So let's jump on to Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar, what's happened with the Aussie dollar? Aussie dollar is looking very bearish right now. There's no indication so far to chase anything to the upside, in my opinion, but we'll see. Equal lows here. We'll take the Fibonacci, pushing it up all the way to the high. Same old stuff, equilibrium, keep it simple, and there we go. Who of you guys watched the video from yesterday from risk management? Did you watch it? If you didn't watch it, I would recommend you, it's worth spending time before the open to get to understand how I manage my risk. Because if you can do that, then one, you'll protect your accounts. Two, there's going to be a lot easier for you to manage trades. You're not going to be under stress. It's basic stuff, but it's actually stuff that really works. And we need that in trading. We need people giving that. This is the video. So if we go back on my channel, go on YouTube. Where are we? This one, no. Have to go videos. This one here, risk management, guaranteed methods get funded in prop. I generally believe that. If you can deal with your risk, then trust me, you will be able to get through challenges without a lot of stress. I haven't had to, I guess I had to pass Darwin X and instant funding and Fivers now. So 3 times this is the reason I've actually been able to pass this. So I would recommend you go and watch that if you haven't. But let's jump back on TradingView and look at another asset, which we're going to be looking at, the euro dollar. This we've got it set. We'll see if anything happens. Euro dollar, let's jump in. I had a huge ghost somewhere. Where's that? It's not there. Right, what have we done? This is not bad. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at this. Oh, I missed that though. When did that happen? I definitely missed that. Oh, I would have taken that for sure. 108.9. 7 o'clock. Darn it. It's just happened. I would have liked that retracement. What is that? 10 pips to the previous daily high. Yeah, I wouldn't mind that. Previous daily highs, put our fibs in. That's not correct. Let's go on the daily. And there we go. So we have most of the things are currently at equilibrium after a big move yesterday. So I think the biggest move that happened is because after Trump pretty much smashed the Hampshire results, New Hampshire, the dollar index just flew up in the hopes that there's going to be anything for business. I guess all the businesses are pro-Trump because of how he works around tax and businesses, and obviously he's a businessman. The only questionable things about Trump is this humanitarian approach. But in terms of business, he comes from a business background, so businesses will be comfortable with him being in power. What's this? This is the dollar index. Look at that. We touched the gap there. Or did we? Wait, that's old. There we go. Got close to the gap here, and then it spiked up. That was the spike up we were talking about. So let's go on the daily, put the our previous daily highs in. Need to check I haven't got any others. Close this because we broke that high. That's the low. That's a big flary candle there. That is interesting. Take that one to the top. Get the 50. 50 is exactly on a weekly level, sorry. Change that to equilibrium. Close by. All right, so that's done as well. So we can go on the 15-minute for this. Have a look on what the play is. We're still in that fair value gap. Well, I still believe that this is going to come and roll over and take out fully the gap that we've been holding from the daily. And you can see it more evident on the 15-minute there. What's this line? Did I not change the colors? Give me 1 second. That's the daily high. Interesting. Look how close the previous daily low is to equilibrium on the DXY. equilibrium right there. Nice. Okay, so not much here. So what we're going to do now is just flick over. Now we've got everything ready. USD JPY is the one that we haven't done yet. I need to analyze this. I did have an alert up there that it's never been to. The biggest thing about JPY is the liquidity above here. Are we going to hunt for it? If we hunt for 149s, can we push all the way up here? If we get up here, that will be a nice shorting opportunity. Obviously with a break of structure to the downside. Oil and gold. Oil, I haven't analyzed it yet, but we might. I want to see gold just because I haven't seen any clean setups yet on the other pairs. I'm just going to jump on gold and put my levels in. There we go. There we go. That equilibrium looks like it doesn't have to move. Let's see. Very close. Close that. Okay. I guess we'll wait to see if gold comes and retraces to 2000. That will be another area that will potentially be interested. Let's put an alert for this level here. I want to put an alert. Only once. Perfect. Create. So we've got an alert in there. Let me check the chat. Device ready. So back on the gold. Let's see. On gold, GBP, pound dollar, our favorite pair to trade. What is the plan today? We know that people have been shorting this and they want this to go down. So we need to be, in terms of long positions, my first potential interesting area is at 1269s, anything around here. That would be quite interesting for me. If this pushes high, I can't get involved here. I would have to wait for it to retrace to this previous area here. So we might have some time today to make sure. If I get in here though, I don't mind getting a little bit bigger size. Our prediction there was correct on the euro dollar. Look at this. Close that. Here, I think this is going to hold and push lower. But would I trade it? We'll have a look. We'll have a look. We're still in equilibrium. It's not very premium. And if it gets through these levels and goes higher, don't really want to touch it. This one we haven't done it yet. And gold. Gold, gold, gold. Still in that daily fair value gap. Yeah, nothing that excites me yet. You don't put any stop loss and average the loss? No, I don't trade with tight stop losses. I do have a stop, obviously. But it's way out of the picture that any couple of hours of trading wouldn't affect it. So what I mean is, like, it's out, I don't know, 400 pips. That is never done. And if it did it, it would be, I don't know, 2 grand on one position. So I don't have to worry about the stop because I manage my trades. You want an indicator that shows you the previous daily high, previous daily low, 50%, and many more. Not really. I like putting them in because I like seeing me actually putting it in, so then I get in rhythm with the market, if that makes sense. Kalimera, Nico. You seem you have to be on the charts for a fair duration of the time during your trading session to trade your way. Have you ever considered spending less time? I rarely am on the charts. So now I've done this. How long did that take? It took we started about half an hour, 20 minutes. So now I can go. I don't need to look at these charts for the next couple of hours. And I can put alerts in and go and swim again in the pool. I don't normally look at charts. You see me watching the charts just because we're on the live. But if you feel like it, we can jump on Netflix and watch a series together or something. I don't think that would work with the copyrights. It's called All in One Session by Tex Moon Beam. Let's see it. Why not? Let's see what it is. Tex Moon. It's probably better to put the indicator in. Show Monday high and low. So previous day high and low. Week high and low. That would be interesting to have that on there. Show current month, previous month high and low. Okay. Show current week open. Show Asia session. Oh, it's got it all here. It's not joking. All in one. Show New York session. I give you that. Who is it? Menino. This is good. I like this. Customize level 2. You see, you can customize things. That's cool. So you can put your silver bullets in here. How many days are included? Not bad. I like it. Do the highest, let's say red. The lowest green. The midpoint as gray. Label, extend. 50%. Let's go on there. It's not bad. I kind of like my. I don't mind these boxes as well. This is pretty cool. It's the same as Boitoki. I kind of like it. I like that you can change these as well. Show Asia as, let's say, I always have Asia as this blue. And then I have London as red. New York, I normally have it orange. Should update. Oh, open. Wait. Open color. This color. Asia. Let's go with something else. This is red. And this is orange. Not bad. I like it. You can't diss something that is good. This is good. Previous daily low, PDL. Actually, what time zone is this? Let's have a look. Because this looks like it's a different time zone. So this is, let me check. Oh, GMT. There we go. Actually, that needs to change. What time's it got here? Asia. So it's got London at 8. That means this needs to be GMT. But I like London from 7 until 5 is fine. New York. GMT time, so that will be 1 till, yeah, that's fine. Asia, 10 p.m. What's that? 10 p.m. So we got 10 p.m. would be 1, 2, 3. Busy now. I guess I would want to see the close of Tokyo as well, so I'm going to put that as 8. London session 7 to 5, that's okay. New York times. This is just session time, so let me think. So one, yeah, 1 will be pre, I guess 12, we could put that 12, but actually leave it on the open for New York. Yeah, this is fine. I need to save this as default. Okay. Right, nice little push now on the pound dollar. Accepta 3 hours. Yeah, I don't mind this. Where are we? Nice little push now. This is nice. Let's see. 1 hour here. Filling this fair value gap here. What will be nice about this is to have it for things that I haven't analyzed. Because look, we can just jump on USD now. We can see where the previous daily high is, previous daily low on the oil, 50%, where the weekly low is, Nice. I like this. It's not bad. You can see the previous New York high. And we've got the Asian session in between here. I think we're hunting on the oil. Look at this. This is nice. I would have to analyze it though. Euro dollar. Song so good. It is. Have I taken any entries yet? No, not yet. Not yet. Euro dollar is a bit tempting around here. But how big is this? 40 pips. It's a little bit big. Let me keep that away now. So we've got this. USD is about the 50%. Aussie dollar was a little bit on discount. Look at that, everyone is coming with some cool indicators. Rafa is saying, a nice indicator to apply on the chart will show you all the current news. It's called Live Economic Calendar. Why not? Let's have a look. I'm feeling a bit of this one by 2 degrees. Let's see what this looks like. Well, we should know the news prior to the market anyway. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is cool. Look at this. Damn. I'm learning some things today from you guys. That is cool. Wait, can you filter it? Oh my god, this is great. Yes. Who was that? Rafa. This is awesome. Nice. Yes. Stoked about this one. Damn. And it gives you a lot of filtering methods. Oh, see even today's. Look at that. Yes. Gold medal to Rafa. This is big. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. And tell me it changes with the UTC as well. Let me go to if I go to New York. So you have to set it. You have to set it. Oh, it doesn't tell you what zone it is in. That would have been an easy thing to add, wouldn't it? Unless I'm missing it. So this is on GMT, I think. 2 degrees, you've done literally an amazing indicator. 2 things. If you ever listen to this, I doubt you're going to listen to this, but if we could move this wherever we want, that would be epic. And 2, if we could change oh, wait, can we see the script? These news are grayed out since they have already occurred. Monday, January 8th. Nice, it also has vertical lines. That's pretty cool. What a guy. Nice. We've got news coming here. Oh, I love this. This is epic. Are you excited to do that for this or me? I feel like it's Christmas. Damn. That's pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna have to do a video about this, Rafa. I think the world needs to know this indicator. This is pretty cool. Oh my God, you can hover over it as well. Damn, this is good. You can see the impact of the last news. That's PMI, look at PMI. Sold off. I feel like it's Christmas. Right, let's put that in the favorites. Um, 2 degrees. I want to change the news table, chat history, automatic, show labels, show lines, future, past and future, heavy, dotted and solid. What a guy. I need to find out who this guy is. What a service. For free. I know you can see them down here, but having it on the charts like this, when you go onto a 15-minute, and you can see what that is, that's pretty strong, man. That's so strong. Nice. All right, back to trading now. Yeah, the only thing is if we could move this would be super. There must be a coder there that can do that for him. To be able to move this, imagine if you could move that anywhere you want, depending on your chart. Yeah, that would be so much better. But we don't need to go anywhere. We know the news on the chart. That's huge. It's from Forex Factory News, which is great because I can't get that because of the living in Indonesia. They don't allow that website, so I can get it here. Nice. And if we want to see what's happening for the rest of the week, we can go at the bottom here and do this week. And we've got advanced GDP, unemployment claims, and core PCE, price index. Nice, Harry. Awesome, Rafa. I'll give you a shout out. I'm gonna do a video about this. This is too cool. Right, let's have a look now at the trades. What time is it? 4:05. We're opening now. I don't mind this short that here. I don't mind it. I can see why. This is 1 hour. Below the 50% of the fair value gap. I can see this continuation. This would be great if it continues lower because then it would help a couple of vanguards, I know. I saw someone jump in. Hello, Martin. Hello, Omar. Who else we got here? The money is made in the management. Yes, I agree. I have gold selling level at 2024 and 2034 and buying level 2002, it says Hassan. New subscriber, who's that? Let's see. Who's subscribed to us? Oh, I can't read that there. Let me see. It is Trovaki 1975. Welcome. And guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. Check, because sometimes you forget you haven't subscribed, and that helps the channel so much. Also, let's have a look on the likes. We're hitting 90 people, and we're only 28 likes. Come on, guys. Come on, we can do better than this. In our community, we do better. This is crazy. Thank you, so lucky to. Well, we have to thank Rafa for that. That's pretty cool. It's very rare I get this excited about an indicator, but that is, what a saver. What a saver. So we know now in the next 2 hours, 3 hours, we've got news there. And yes, we can hover here. If we want to look at the detail, we can look at the forecast, previous GDPs. We can also look at this one here, which is the core PCE, and we can plan for it on the chart. Hallelujah. Better to find you. Who else have I missed? Who else have I missed? Hi, Sickle. Batish is in. Price might grab. Previous day, New York. I don't like words like might. Remember, Batish, we analyze and we go with confidence to what we predict. My prediction so far, even though I can't trade it, is that this potentially at least get down here. I would like to see that. Why? Because we've got a big Fibonacci level here, all the way to the top. And that here will be the 61.8. At least a retracement to the 61.8, potentially a 76.4. I don't mind getting involved here. I wouldn't mind it. If this pushes higher, I wouldn't mind this either. So we've got some nice areas. We're definitely going to get in one of these two. I don't think it's going to consolidate between these two lines. Famous last words. How far is this? This is just 27 pips, and this is 37 pips. So I know it's going to happen, especially with news. So that's going to be cool to see in the next couple of hours. So wait, this is 8:30. 8:30. That's not UK time, is it? I'm getting confused now. 8:30, so that's in half an hour. But that looks like it's further away. 8:30. What's this? Let me just double check this, so we know what we've got on the charts. So if I go to London, and it's today the 25th, if I filter this, just the highs, (8:30) New York time. No, wait. 25th January, 8:30. 8:30. Unemployment claims. What am I missing? Okay, we need to wait. This. Oh, you idiot. Wait. I was so confused. Oh, okay, that makes sense now. All right. Because I was like, that doesn't look like it's the next hour. All right, so this is New York. So now we know, all good. So at 8:30 New York time, that will be 1:30. Everything in the world is good. We're good, guys. Right, let's throw on a Bollinger Band on this. We're currently in the middle of the Bollinger and we're in the middle of RSI as well. So there's going to be movement. We're going to see movement. I know we will. What about euro dollar? Because euro dollar kind of looked kind of nice. What's that looking like on the Bollinger Bands and RSIs? Same place. Equilibrium. I hate these days when it opens up like this. I don't go crazy over it. Nothing there. What about gold? How's it opened? Decrease in volume coming in. Yeah, I've got an alert there if it reaches there. DXY popping off this level now. I can just look at USD JPY as well. That's on high. Aussie dollar. They're all at the same place pretty much. This oil is kind of interesting. But do I want to touch oil? I've got bad experiences with the oil. But this is kind of interesting. It's coming to a liquidity grab up here. So this high. Let's put an alert in. If it comes close, we're going to have to analyze it. Dun, dun. I do, Curacao. I do put liquidity grabs, but at the moment we're not anywhere close to liquidity grab. So for me, it doesn't make any sense to put them yet. But if you want, since you're asking, my liquidity grab on this, if I take the automatic out, oh no, which one is it? Put that away. My liquidity grab will be here, above the previous daily low. That would be my buy side liquidity. My sell side is here on that weekly. And we just wait. Good morning, Russell. Bam, 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 bam. Best music on YouTube, you'll find it here. Yanis recommends fivers. Would you suggest TFT and funding pips? Good morning. Which prop challenge do you recommend? Hi, Tassie. I recognize your name. I believe you're from the fivers. You were in the fivers. I recognize that name from somewhere. Maybe Instagram. I would say fivers. What's the phrase? Hands down. Never had any issues with them. Very transparent. If something happened to the fibers, I just wouldn't touch another prop firm again. That's how much I trust them. If the trust was broken from the fibers, then I generally would just trade my own money. They always paid on time. I don't like these things that they're doing now, and I know some of the fibers are listening. If you are, I have to say I don't like these $1 challenges, because it's not. I don't want to go on a rant, but I just want to say, if let's say I do a 1-to-1 with you, right? Someone wants to do a 1-to-1 with me. If it costs $200, is that person going to be focused to identify exactly what he needs, drain every little bit of knowledge that he can get from me in order to improve himself? Why? Because you know you've paid a substantial enough of money and you want to get value from what you're doing. Now, if I say, hey guys, here's a free 1-to-1, there will be like 1,500 signing on up, and 90% of them are not the people that are going to be actually trying to put the work in it. So it's a free promotion from them. Like giving a 20K account, they know like 100% of the people that are going to buy the $1 one, my prediction is they're going to lose it. Just because the intention of just buying it because it costs $1 is not going to make you a millionaire. Because that's not the way you become a millionaire, or learning the skills to become a millionaire. You have to be able to commit. And yes, there might be 1 or 2 people that have already done like 10 challenges, and you know, if they were going to buy one anyway and you find it, then yeah. So that's enough of the rant. I don't like cheap challenges. I would rather people pay more, so it means a lot more, and the psychology that comes with it of losing more will help you to become much better very fast. So there we go. And you hear all this. I'm going to continue a little bit more just to get it out of my chest. You hear all these people, oh my God, this is $95, and then it's another $200 to get your account. For someone to give you $250,000, you're complaining when you've proven that you can be a successful trader. You complain about paying $200 to receive your account. Come on, guys. Like, hey, Evan, yeah, free. Yeah, I mean, I don't agree with it. I can understand the marketing. I do. It just works. If I said, hey guys, here's a week free Vanguard, everyone would jump on, wouldn't they? We would have like 500 new members. Why would I do that? Yes, I've 500 people would experience what it is to be a Vanguard, and maybe they would like it, and then they would be like, oh, actually now I'm willing to pay for it. But that's not the right person. So I can understand that the exposure, how many, oh, this is it. I like that, Casey Chong. I will do that. Hi, Jay, big man, Big J. Start a poll. It's probably everyone, isn't it? Everyone hates me right now. How many of you here? Oh God, how many? 100 people. Don't say yes if you haven't. Let's see the real poll. How many of you here bought the $1 offer from Fivers? I'm a bit scared of this. Oh no, I don't want an option. Wait, I need to do this again. Oh, there we go. Start poll. I'm a bit dreading this, but let's do it anyway. Pound dollar is reacting to that one fair value gap. We'll see if we can get to sell side liquidity. That's where we're going to get excited to get some entries today. How many of you bought $1 account? Ali is in the house. Hello, buddy. Here we go. The poll has started. I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to manifest that is less than 20%. God, it's starting at 100%. That's scary. Me, but lost it. but got funded on ATAS. but. Back at equilibrium. I was late to that promotion, says Ali. I'm kind of glad you were late. I don't know if you jumped in when I was talking about this, but I generally think that 100% of the people that bought that challenge are going to lose it. Unless it's Martin. I think Martin has got one. How do you get the $1 account straight away? Okay. This is promising. 63%. No, it's not as bad as I thought it was. Let's have a look. Aussie dollar. Ooh, that's nice. Bit of rejection there. Let's get on the PMT for a second. Russell Lawson. Is this Russ from Vanguard? I can't remember your surname. Make sure you vote, guys. I want to see how many of you bought $1 accounts. Aussie dollar's looking kind of good. Sell side for this, obviously we're looking at liquidity above here. We've got a weekly level. This is a really nice liquidity grab. We have to see when that's going to happen and how far it is, but that will be your buy side liquidity. Really nice equal lows here. Very nice. This is nice. No strong big levels though around this area. So this, if it gets to this area, we can see it pushing lower. I would say the big grab of liquidity is here. We haven't been to this level since January 18th. So this is interesting and this is interesting, but I would say this is more interesting. How's my ranking doing? Ali, can you check actually? I haven't checked. With my euro dollar, I did have a little bit of drawdown. So I think I've dropped into 200. So back on 25K. I would have liked to get the 35K, but is it worth risking for an extra 10K? I might just ease it up now and just get a few percentages more, maybe 1% more in the last 5 days, and then just call it a day. You are not trading silver bullet. Oh, I need to change the title, haven't I? You're right. I normally do, but only if it fits in. Well, it is technically silver bullet. Your silver bullet entry would be right here on Australian dollar. There it is. And it's pushing nicely. Now the question is, did it do 15 pips? 13, 6. 224. Okay, that's not bad. Last month I got the allocation with 380 or something. So I just need to contain that price, that place. Yeah, I forgot about that. I need to change that. I don't actually always trade the silver bullet, but my methods of trading are around silver bullet. So people are very familiar with ICT language, especially when we talk about fair value gaps and that kind of stuff. So it attracts the right people to the live. Speaking of which, let's throw the indicator on and see what has been Where is he? Boytoki. If you missed it, Ali, I think you're going to like this. And you might have to roll back, but I'm going to show you right now. We found out about a really, really cool indicator from Rafa, which is... Where's it gone? Where's it gone? I have to remember what it's called. I need it here. Live economic calendar. Oh my God. There it is. Boom. This is where the news are. Oh, this made my day. Absolutely made my day. I've only filtered it to all the pairs that I've got. So, oh, right bottom small. Maybe we can do the size as well. Tiny. Oh my God, it gets better. Oh, yes. What a legend. Big kudos to 2 degrees. What a legend. Oh, I can put it top. Let me see. No, not top. I think bottom right is the best. Middle, that might be in the way. It's not bad though, I like that. Might be a bit in the way, put it in the bottom. What an absolute legend. You can filter the pairs. Oh, you can put medium news in there as well. Yeah, we're not gonna get all the we just need to know about the important news. We don't need to get all the other news. Brilliant. There you go. That's your London silver bullet on the pound dollar currently moving. We'll see your silver bullet on the London on the pound dollar would have been this here. Right there. You would have got an entry, had to sit a little bit of heat, and now you'll be looking for a 15 pip. 15 pip would take you to the top there. If it goes to the top there, that will be filling all the fair value gap. We have to wait and see. Wait, I changed this. Go down. Oh, what a legend. Next Wednesday, I'm doing a video about this. And I'll put a trade in there, so it's not just about the indicator. I want the pound dollar to come back down here. This is where I would like it to be. I know Ali would be happy for that as well. I want to see a drop down into this liquidity here. Might be by the time of the news this happens, and then we can trade that. But for me, happy places. Let's put our happy places. Happy place. Where's my other happy place? Happy place. And let's do a scale as well. This is my mini happy place. Mini. And my very happy place. And this is a very happy place. My happy places. Here, not happy place. This one, mini happy place. Very happy place. Euro dollar. This is quite tricky. I think we're quite bearish on this. 8:15 news. This is all New York time. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 hours till the news. But quite a few. Monetary policy, red news in the euro, and we've got obviously unemployment claims. This is kind of, I do like this position here. It's quite a tricky. I do like it. Let me see. Where's this going? Bit of volume now. Let's get all the things out of the way. I don't mind this. 40 pips. 40 pips. I would like it 20. I would like it 20. Let's see on the PMT. Euro dollar. Fundamentally is coming out as bullish. DXM 50-50. I wouldn't say that's a good indicator there. COD data 11%. What about pound dollar? Pound dollar seasonality is bearish. COD data, DXM data is still low. Is increasing. 66% of retail traders are shorting this at the moment. Which is good if we are looking for long opportunities. But what's happened on the pound dollar? Has it done the same? It's kind of reacting to what we like. That's good. Happy news, Ali. For me, pound is definitely bearish big time at this end of the week. Ali is like giving all the energy he can. Okay. 75%. I'm going to end the poll. How many votes is that? 56 votes. That's a big number. So I'm going to end it there. That's good news. Only 25% bought the $1. That's a good sign for me. It's definitely bearish big time. I love it. I think it is Russ. I think it's Russ from Vanguards, right? If you reply to that, let me see. Indeed. Okay. Cool. Russ Durham. Yeah. Right, I'm gonna remember that now. Green name. Just sharing what I see. Yeah. All right. Guys, I see bearishness as well. Like so bearish. I mean, if you're not shorting this right now. Jesus Christ, I'm kidding. It's just an inside Vanguard joke. As you can tell, some of the members have been short. Everyone's looking for a recommendation of prop firms. Fivers, instant funding. I haven't taken a payout yet. I might do when I build up the second account. I'll tell you how that goes. I can tell you, Martin, DXY is going up. What do you mean? I can tell you Ali's predictions on DXY. Euro dollar. Oh, nice. I kind of like this. I do like this. Let's see. Let's analyze a little bit more on this. We're in this fair value gap now. I'd like to test this. Right, let's go on here. what's this? This is my main account. I'm gonna short this with half a lot. My only thing is this is bullish, right? Go on the euro dollar. USD. Come on, Jan. Get your hands together. Okay, not much there, so that's good news. It's got it bullish only for seasonality though. Okay, nothing crazy. And the news is this afternoon. How far is this? This is 40 pips. So 40 pips on half a lot would be 10 pips would be 50. So $200. Don't do that. I'm currently in buy. We can both make money. Remember, I normally trade for an idea, right? So I've seen this fair value gap here. I can see this going all the way up here. This is my happy place for sure. This is where I will be starting my proper sell-off on the euro dollar. I can see this coming up, but what I'm seeing here is it is slightly in premium, right? So I wouldn't go one lot in this, and even my half a lot is on the upper side that I'm willing to put in this. Because I've gone half a lot, I can't enter before this. So if I wanted to enter, if I had a quarter of a lot, I would probably put another quarter in there and try and reposition that. But because I've gone already half a lot in, I can only reposition here now. So all I need to do is put an alert here, and it's showing now, but it's just delayed. But if my alert gets, actually I'm going to put it higher. I'm going to put it in this box. I think I can do that. Can I do that? Why is it not showing my alerts? Show me my alerts. Maybe it needs refreshing. All right, so I can see it now. I can, no, is that the alert? I've put an alert in here. If I go to my alerts, euro. All right, I want you to show me this. Why don't you show me? So I've got 3 alerts in there. Get rid of this one. Oh, I did have a USD JPY active. I need to look at that. I'm gonna see if we can get, what's that? That is 20 pips to the low. 126. I don't want to scale because this is one idea, right? So I've taken this trade on the idea that this is going to retrace to the 50% and then it's going to continue lower. Maybe I should have gone a little bit higher. The only reason I entered there is because of my level, this level here. maybe I could have gone a bit higher, but that's okay. It's 109, round number. What's the high of this? 8973. So pretty much on the 109 reaction. So we'll see what happens there. Now I can forget about this. We can focus on the pound dollar and see if we have anything going on here. J, Euro, Aussie. Aussie, that's a cool pair. What's the ATR on that? 10 pips to take out Monday's high after taking Monday's low. My eyes currently are on the euro dollar. Well, obviously I've got entered. This DXY, I want to see how it's going to react now when we come to 103s too. I do want to see this come down to the gap, but not yet because I'm in a short. So a better analysis would be wait for this to break below and then trade short this when you've got confirmation. So this can easily push up here. So I'm accepting that I can be wrong by 40 pips. If this goes to 40 pips, then I'll enter again. I will consider this 20 pip move for another quarter position possibly. And then this one here is a big one. So what am I doing now, guys? I'm risk managing my trade. Let's make some good money on this one. I need some good money. I'm buying land. I need more income to come in. Good afternoon, Trader's Journey. How we doing on the likes, guys? So let's see. I'm gonna manifest before I see that it's above 50. Let's see. Oh, 51. Okay, that's good. That's good. 50% of you like me. That's not bad. 106 ATR. I only trade the big lads. Nice. Where's gold? Where's it gone? Still holding below there. This is a big one now. Let's see how it reacts. Let's see how it reacts. We're either going to reject it and go higher to the previous daily high, which would be ideal for me, or we're going to continue lower to fill up the gap, which would be ideal for the short people, not in height, people who are going short. We did fill in this gap here, and now it's extended back into this fair value gap. We're closing London. We're closing London? Why? We've just opened. Euro and pound is holding, so it might still go up. Let's see what happens. Where are we? $6 in. Crazy. We're just holding in our 1089s. Let's have a look at that, Zach. Zach is saying that it's got a 4-hour bearish on the DXY. Let's have a look. 4 hours. You mean this one? Let's have a look. In the golden zone. There's two things that can happen here. One, hopefully for me, this is reacting around this level, which is around 38.2. And then it pushes back up to the 76.4, which is an OTE level. Or this is the relaxation of this move, and this is a continuation down. Continuation down means that we are going towards that gap. Unfinished business. Doesn't always happen. As we saw historically, there was one gap that was 82 days to close. So we can't base our analysis solely on this going down. But in historically, gaps tend to fill in that week or the following week. Can you explain your ICT or silver bullet? I can. All you need to do is go and watch me explain it. It's not a long video. I think it's quite quick. Oh, it's not that one. Silver bullet. There we go. How long is it? Let me see. 38 minutes. It's exactly like ICT. I'll just give you examples. So, what's your name? Bino FX. There you go. Yeah, so I can see this can do two things, right? We always, when we're day trading, we're always reacting to price. We're not trying to predict price. That's why I know that there's going to be a reaction around this area. I also know there's going to be a reaction if it gets to the gap, for sure. So these are where I put my happy places. 76.4 is the previous daily high, so that's a happy place to be able to short the DXY. Gap is also a happy place to be able to long DXY. But that is at 1027 and this is at 1036. So we'll see what happens. We're still holding above this weekly level now. But it is looking like it wants to push down, which means the euro dollar will start pushing higher. If it pushes higher, where's it going? Let's have a look. Euro dollar. If we're pushing over, I'm gonna look for maybe, because I've only put half a lot there, if we get here, I might start thinking, do I need a lot, one lot, or half a lot? Why? Because we're at a good area. Look at this. We've got a fair value gap there, which is the buy side liquidity. And this is on a 4 hour, so it's quite a substantial fair value gap. Now, if we look at the bigger picture on a daily, we've had a big push down, which retraced into that fair value gap there. But obviously it hasn't filled it. This is on a daily level. So let me just hide some stuff so we can see what's going on. What can I hide? Let's hide these lines. So yeah, we have had a push into that area, this fair value gap on a daily, pushed all the way up and then got rejected. Overall, I just need to go back to my Excel sheet as well. My exogenous. Fundamentally is a bit of a tricky one, the euro dollar. Yes, it's saying buys on here, but it's only, the only buy is seasonality. So if we look at seasonality, January is pretty much red, but the only reason it might say seasonality is green because it might be below, we might be below that 0.58 average, so we might need to come up to get into those levels. We'll look at that. So yeah, this is the high. This got retraced. It looks like it retraced all the way to the 50%. Close to the 50%. And then it broke the lows, so that became invalid. Then this pushed down here, found the low, retraced up here, so we'll see this move here. Retraced the 50%, so that's pretty much done. Let's take rid of these. So the big question is, where are we here? We're on the bottom side of the Bollinger, still room to go. We haven't hit extremes on the RSI. We are coming down though. Generally on the RSI, we're holding below. There is a push towards the midsection there, which could be interesting. But overall, we've been on a consolidation here. You can see that. Consolidating between that line here and consolidating between that line. So we're on the top side of that line. If you do the simple thing about bias that I did on the simple strategy, if you go on a weekly, where are the big swing highs and the swing lows? It's so obvious. Make it easy. There it is. Actually, let's put a box in. Very simple strategy. Put a box on the high and the low. On the, I'm just going to label that 1 hour because I know it's got the 50 in there. So then I make another box. Anything below here, you would put that as discount. And anything above it, you would put it as premium. And just like that, very easy, you can see where you are on the week, right? Ignore the buy side liquidity for now, just look at the color. We came back down, found the low, then came back, and now we're at the middle of both. So as a weekly, it's not giving you a clear direction if this is going down or up. So then you go back to the daily. Where are the big swing highs, swing lows? You can use the previous daily high, previous daily low, but you can also look at the swings. So we've got a big swing here, right? Get the this. We're in the middle of that swing as well. So both weeklies and dailies are telling you that this is quite hard to pick a direction at this moment of time based on that. And obviously you can bring other stuff in there, but that was the simple analysis to try and find. Now if you don't see a clear direction, what does that tell you? That tells you that you can potentially go in both directions. You just have to manage it well. You're not going to get overly skewed if you get things wrong, if that makes sense. Why the previous swing high and swing low, not previous week high? Let's see the difference. Here's a question back, Hassan. What would the previous week high show you, and what would the swing high show you? Because it's easy for me to tell you why, but if you're using the swing high, you should be able to tell me why you're using the swing high. Oh, sorry, the high of the week. Good practice for today. So the previous week, Monday 15th, the high is here. The weekly high that I'm talking about is here. We are of a difference of 300 pips. Why do I use the swing and not the previous week? Hassan has given us a good question to answer. I thought I could move this, but it looks like I can't. So I'll just keep it small. New subscriber, who's that? Let's have a look. It is, ooh, that's a difficult name. Mojalefa Marumo. Right, I probably killed that. Mojalefa. Where's that name from? Marumo. Never heard that. Moja. Where's Moja from? Could it be African? He will tell us when it jumps in the chat. No one's brave enough to see. Why would we be using the previous weekly high? What's the reason for it? Why do we look at the previous weekly high? And why would we be looking for the previous weekly swing high? What's the difference? Why not this swing high and it's actually this swing high? These questions, guys, we need to know them as traders. We can't be guessing. We can't be entering stuff for no reason. This should be your Bible. You should know this inside out. You should be able to tell me why I'm using the previous week. If you don't know why, you need to go and make sure you know why you're using it. Here we go. I use previous weekly highs and lows like daily for liquidity, and it helps to find PDRAs in short-term trades. Perfect. I like that answer. And that's the correct answer. The previous weekly high is to identify the liquidity of the previous week, right? However, the previous swing high is used for bias. And this is the difference. What's this move? This is the biggest move since Monday 10th of July. 23, and we're still in that move. We've retraced into the 76 OTE, and now it's pushing back. This weekly high here is a part of a push down of the OTE. Where can it be going? We don't know, but it has retraced. So this move here is still the biggest move since the 10th of July. So in order to see direction, we need to know how far are we from the top end of this or the bottom end of this to identify bias. Now, if you're longer term, then you can look at the bigger picture on euro dollar, but that is the biggest move which is causing this reaction here. Hope that makes sense. I haven't got any alerts yet, which means we're still in this area. We've seen this push now. We're breaking above my monthly levels, my Fibonacci levels. Highly likely that we're going to tap into this buy side liquidity. Why? Because we have, from this move, broken into the 23. So highly likely for this to retrace to the 50. If we retrace to the 50, where's the closest high? Is the 61.8. If we close above the 61.8, we can expect a retracement. However, because I went in half a lot, probably won't re-enter here. If this breaks into the 76.4, which would be an OTE level, that would be a nice area to get involved again. If it actually pushes all the way to buy side liquidity, then we know that we're in a good position to trade this, to manage this, if you want, in a better play. Always think management, guys. Management first. So swing is for weekly bias, and I need to Google how to remove. Let me just see something. I've got a heart on the chart, which is good for the hearts, the reactions, but I can't read your messages. Live YouTube, remove heart bubble. Give me a sec, I just need to remove that heart. Oh, I have to do it in settings. Let me just do that quickly, because it is annoying me. But then you won't be able to do reactions. All right, we'll keep it in. We'll keep it. Let me see what you're saying. So we can use daily swing for daily bias of 1 week. So swing is for weekly bias, and we can use daily swing for daily bias for 1 week. I like getting bias from weeks and months. I wouldn't use my daily for the bias, just because, you know, in the daily you're actually looking very, very recent information. But if you want to be safer in like a weekly, if your trade can sometimes stay in a couple of days, then it's better to have your weekly bias rather than your daily bias. That's me personally. Let me have a look what we've got here on the euro dollar. Euro dollar. Slightly bullish, nothing crazy. 12760 area will be my sell area for pound. Same Ali. 12760. Let's see where the vanguards, what the vanguards are looking at. $12760. Okay. Yeah. We're at the same. That's my happy place. Did you cheat? Did you see my happy place? If monthly is bullish, weekly is bearish, but daily is bullish. So we should go with a weekly storyline or daily. Now, this is a good point, Hassan. If you have conflicting ideas on a monthly and a weekly, all that's telling you that it's that you haven't got a strong bias. In ideal world, you want your monthlies, weeklies, everything that you're looking to move in the direction that your trade wants to go. If they're not, then you just need to be more frugal with your positions. Back down, let's see how it reacts now. This is a crucial level. Favorite tune from the stream playlist. Harry's vibing it. What's your stop loss, Mr. ICT trader? I don't have a stop loss. I have zero risk. I let it burn. Counts goes to 0. And then I open a new account. Do that every week. I am kidding. Let me see. Welcome to a new subscriber. Who's that? Ash. Welcome. Welcome to the best community. Kidding aside, Amit, my stop loss has got to do with risk management. If you do want to understand how I put my stops, you can watch a recent video I did, because it would take a while to explain it, but you've got a nice video recently, this one. Share. Let's go to Ahmed. That will explain how I deal with my risk and my stops. We're holding above this monthly. If you look at the month, it's quite messy, but this is the monthly move, right? So if you throw a Fibonacci on there, what it's currently holding, and we trace to the 61.8. So this has momentum to go all the way to the 76.4, 115. So obviously that's going to take a long time to do. But at this moment of time, price is holding above the 50%. And that looks a bit ugly, I know. But it's holding. If we go down to, oh, go away. Oh, oil has got a nice alert. Let's have a look at that. Oh, it's broken the highs. What day is it? It's Thursday. I might have to analyze this. 76. Let's look at this one monthly. We'll see if that closes above. This is nice though. I like this. It's kind of daily. Just finding the highs now. The alert in there. Euro. Hi Rajiv. Morning Yanis, loving your journey. Keep it up, buddy. Great that you're sharing your journey. Wishing you continued growth and success. Awesome. Appreciate that. Let's see how we're doing in the likes, guys. Let's see. I'm manifesting, we were at 51. I'm gonna manifest that we hit 67. Oh, 65. Let's see if we can beat our, what was the high? It was 91, I think is now. We got 91 likes. If we can hit 91, that's the target. Your thoughts on pound yen? It's not on my radar, pound yen. My radar at the moment is this bracket here: pound, Aussie, euro, USD JPY, CAD JPY. I haven't analyzed it, but I've got it on there. Gold is interesting. DXY is holding above that weekly. It reacted on that fair value gap here, which is also a weekly level. Oil is interesting. This is interesting. Pound dollar is still in that range there. Euro dollar starting to slip over. We'll see. I'm also an ICT trader. 5 pip, do it for me. Is that crazy? If it works, that's good. 5 pip is what you need to have it at. And that's the thing, you know, even ICT says you don't need to trade exactly like me. You need to if you pick up one idea, make it your own, and you become profitable, that's the target, isn't it? Profitability. Profitability. How you get there, it doesn't really matter. What time is it? 9:15. We're not quite getting the impulse here. Let's have a look on the alerts. $76, $77 is the beginning of that fair value gap, and this, remember, is a 23 retracement, so the daily has closed above it, but the Fibonacci is from the weekly, so it's pushing now. That's the weekly move. Go on the 4 hour. Getting into extreme levels. 1 hour. Same. Pushing now. How much does it cost me? Do I have oil in here? XTI USD. Okay. Okay. %100% bullish for this period of the time. Okay. Average is 1.27%. Wow. So March and April. Tw 28% to 32%. Damn. March and April 2020. Jesus. Okay. So here's the thing. I can see a short setup on oil. But on the weekly, we've broken the 23, which is highly likely we're going to get here. So for me to get involved in this, I would want to come and back retest this. Now, I think this is possible. But then I would want to get, unfortunately, I can't trade this short because I'll be going against the big weekly direction, or monthly direction actually. Yeah, so that's interesting. Pound dollar back up. That means the euro's pushing up. Into that fair value gap, we can see a wick now. Let's get rid of these. Thirsty Gamers, hello. Mofos, oh, that's a name I recognize. Long time. Yanis, nice to see you again, man. Wish you all the best. I know your training and getting back to shape goes. Yeah, we are absolutely smashing it. Let me see. This is where you'll find me, guys, on Instagram, Conscious Day Trader with the blue tick. I'm definitely cooler on YouTube because I've only got 1,600 subscribers here. But you can go on here and watch my trades. You can also watch me have my morning coffee in Bali. How do you jump here? Maybe you can't. Oh, there we go. You can watch me have some funny memes, but also how I get fit, and how we're doing our training in Wanderlust in Bali. It's a CrossFit gym. So yeah, that's where you can find us. Give us a follow, yeah, drop me a message if you want to connect as well. Still holding that place there. Let's have a look. Also, guys, every Wednesday we do private Q&A with the Vanguards. You'll recognize some names in here. We've got quite a few of the Vanguards in here. We've got Ali, we've got Russ, we've got Martin, Russell. What language do you communicate in Bali? The language here is Bahasa. I'm still learning it. My son speaks quite a bit of it, even though it's one and 3 months. How long have I lived in Bali? 1 year now, 1 year and 3 months. Appreciate that, Benedek. Right, do we like this position? I'm not vibing this position. It's not holding, it's holding above. I'm gonna close it. I don't like it. I don't like this position. This is where it sells off now. But why did I close it? Because we're holding consistently above this Fibonacci level here. I don't want to chase it. Even though we got into that, I just don't like it. I don't like it. We're at equilibrium. I just don't like it. You know when your gut tells you like, just don't trade it? That's what I'm getting from this trade. So I just closed it. I definitely wouldn't trade my Darwin X on that. It cost us nothing. We lost $2, we made $2, so nothing. Yeah, I didn't like this. Something wasn't right. And normally my instinct is always right, like always. When I feel this, it always is the right thing to do. Look at it go down now. This is where, as you say that, you see this now. Don't listen to your instinct. Where is Ragnar? Ragnar, do you know what? I always forget to set him up before. Because I'm always rushing. If you go on the Instagram and you see, you pretty much, where is it? Let's see. So basically, this is my morning routine, right? I'll go here, I'll work out. We were doing back today, so this is like we were doing bent over rows. We were doing, oh, this was tough. Farmer's walk with 80 kilos after doing power snatches and all that. That was tough. Anyway, some motivation stuff there. Enjoying the coconuts afterwards. Lean dinners. And then I come back and I chill. Ragnar's here at the pool. But the problem is, I spend too much time in there. And a lot of the times I'm late for these sessions. I was very late today. I think I turned on about 3:15. But in terms of price action, so going back to the Ragnar, I just need to set him up. So I will set him up. I need to remember and not swim too much in the pool before the sessions. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you came in late, but we do have a favorite indicator. This bad boy, look at this. I'm so happy about this. Big shout out to Raphael. So today news, we got 1:30, this is New York time, 8:30 New York time, 1:30 UK time. We're gonna have, actually in Bali, that will be, it's late at night I think, around 10 o'clock. So we have to wait for that to happen, and hopefully that's going to be a little bit more volatility. Even if this pushes a little bit down, do I think it's going to push, as I say, it's pushing. Do I think it's going to push to the lows 25 pips to give me $100? I don't think so. This is looking like it's holding. Might be wrong, but my instinct was saying no. And also we have to remember we have the DXY that it can still push lower. So I'm just gonna make some dinner and then look at this in a couple of hours, because as it stands now, there's nothing obvious. And when it's choppy like this, guys, just don't get involved. You don't want to. This chop is nothing. It's not doing much. This was the only one here, but oil, it's a bit tricky. I haven't traded it before. I could have added a little bit of size, but when you're in the unknown, it's better to go to extreme. How much is your rent cost in Bali? Oh, it's quite a bit. It's quite a big house, so it's quite a lot. But you can find really cheap rent. It's just that we've gone for a big house. So I would say London prices. Think of Notting Hill or anywhere in the West End. That sort of price to get a, like, big pool, 2-store or bedroom, well, 4 bedrooms kind of thing, 3 bedrooms, nice view over the sea kind of thing. Think of London prices. Yeah, the gym is awesome. It's the gym is this. It's a huge gym. It's a huge gym, and it's actually a village. It's got pools and stuff like that. But when you've got it at home, obviously you're not going to do all that. That's the owner, Dave. It's one of the most famous gyms in Bali. It's huge. They do these retreats where you can do eat, train, but it's the whole complex here. This is the gym overside. And it doesn't cost that crazy. I'm not going to say the price, Ali, here. I don't want to be judged. But yeah, just think of if you lived in London, you know the price of London. It's expensive if you want to make it expensive. But I know friends who pay like $100, $200. Here's my plug, Sonny. If you want to see what I do in Bali, join my Instagram, follow on Instagram. I put everything there. Why did I move to Bali? We both work online. I trade. My wife's got an online business, so we could be anywhere in the world, and we actually like Bali. And great community for kids. So many schools with different philosophies, Montessori, Reggio Emilia, all like the top end schools, especially for young age. So yeah, we made the big move. Right, let's see. Since we don't have any news, look at the rice fields. Can't beat it. So guys, we didn't find a trade today. It's one of those. The price action is choppy. We saw it together. We didn't see much of movement there. Obviously, movement is coming at 1:30 US time. Keep an eye. Anything related to the USD will be moving, and euro dollar. So we'll keep an eye on that. Also on the oil, if it starts pushing it higher. My my thoughts on the oil, if we close the week above the 23, then we could potentially push even higher. But yeah, we'll see. If you're here tomorrow, we're going to go live again at 7, depending how quickly I come out of the pool. I'll try and be on time this time. I know it's early, it's 7 o'clock UK time, but that's when we find the best entries. So I'm going to be there. I hope to see you too. Make sure you like, guys. Let's see. I'm not going to see if we've broken the 94 likes from last time. And have a good Thursday. Trade well. and I will see you tomorrow.
Run it. I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my been ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem been better. Gotta keep on chugging. Ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy. Got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that. It's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up. I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities that never come unless you paying attention. So no, I can't miss that. Moving. MVP, I got the record. I might have to prove something. Big jumper worthy. They gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming. Had to work something cause I had nothing in my pocket. Yeah, I did all that. Big plans. Partners trying to make profits. Yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking even no ends. Yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen. Putting hours in my practice. I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. Yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my big dog walking big talk. Young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship. I'ma jack it like Letterman. Y'all better not let them in. They gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling. Started a chain. The cycle is heaven sent. This is from God, but I'm not your reverend. Not in the pulpit. I'm a big bull in this element. Yeah, said you gon' pull up, then settle it. Yeah, I've been married to this hustle. This is my ring. Watch out, step in it. Yeah.